Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create Twitter account. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to the web browser of your choice, and then what you have to do is simply go to the website, that is twitter.com/i/flow/sign up. Simply go to the website. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the create account, or you can either sign up with Google or Apple. Simply I will tap on the create account. Now what you have to do is follow all these steps and complete the form. Now as you can see, there is an option called customize your experience. Read these all and after that tap next. Now what you have to do is simply tap on sign up. Now a verification code will be sent to your Gmail or your email, whatever you have set it. Now what you have to do is simply go to your email and then copy the verification code. Copy it. Now go to your browser again and then paste it. Now tap on next. It might take a while. Now create a password for yourself. Now pick a profile picture for yourself and you're set. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.